We're not just here to fix cars, we're here to keep you safe and confident on the road. Hi, I'm James, your VW service manager here. We know that bringing your car in for service can feel intimidating, but we're here to make it easy, efficient, and enjoyable. Let me give you a quick tour of what happens when you visit. When you arrive, you can pull up to one of our automatic service drive-through doors to the left of the dealership. When inside, you'll be welcomed by our friendly service attendants who guide you through our sliding doors to meet your service consultant. Your selected consultant will then walk you through the process, listen to your concerns, and guide you step by step. We use state-of-the-art Volkswagen certified tools to inspect and repair your vehicle. Our technicians are factory trained, which means they know your vehicle inside and out, so you can be sure it's in good hands. While you wait, relax in our comfortable waiting lounge. Enjoy complimentary coffee, water, Wi-Fi, and more while we take care of your vehicle. Or if you prefer, we have a shuttle service for the local area. We want you to feel comfortable and confident every time you visit. Thank you for joining us on this tour. We look forward to serving you soon.